Assalamualaikum. We are from Fiqh. So in this video, we will share to you guys about our innovation project for Fiqh and Fiqh Muamalat.
Hi! In this video, we're gonna show to you guys our innovation project. For this project, we have created two types of games to enhance our knowledge and proficiency in learning fiqh usra and fiqh muamalat. This video contains problem statement and the objective of this innovation. Also, we're gonna show to you guys the innovation that we have created, which is the final destination and pick me machine. And lastly, we're gonna show you how to play each games. Alright, without further ado, let's get started.
For the problem statements, we found that students get easily bored when studying all topics with the same way of learning. Besides, students feel difficult to revise because there are so many topics that need to be covered in short time. But don't worry, we have the solution to these problems by producing two games which name Final Destination and Pick Me. This innovation is aimed to make students feel excited to learn the all topics with high spirit of learning, and it also can make the process of learning and teaching be more attractive and effective. And lastly, it helps students in revising the all topics with interesting game easily and effectively.
Our group has produced two interesting games. The first game is Final Destination. It is inspired by windmill where it can spin. In each corner of the box, there are four more games. The first game is inspired by the octopus where it has many legs. This is the second game to attract the attention of players, so we made it colorful. For the third game, it is inspired by a traditional game called Tujuh Guli. For the fourth game, it is based on eggs sold in supermarket. For the Final Destination games, there are 60 questions related to fiqh munakahat. The second main game is called Pick Me. This game is inspired by a game in childhood, which is Mason Tikam. For the Pick Me game, there are 40 questions
Related to fiqh muamalat.
So the total number of questions in our game is 100 for students to master this subject.
There are 4 game options in the Final Destination game. How can they choose? First, players need to spin the wheel in the middle of the box. If the number listed is number 1, then they have to play game 1. Players have to choose between 3 candies that represent each squid. After that, they can select any question that is under the squid. Next, if the number listed is number 2, then they have to play game 2. They can choose any number of questions, or they can also roll the dice and answer the questions according to the numbers shown on the total results of the dice roll. For the third game, players need to throw one ball towards the balls that are in the hoop. If the ball that comes out has a question in it, then the player has to answer the question. And yeah, this egg nest contains 2 parts. Players have to throw the ball into the colorless part to get the question. They will have to answer the question. For the Pick Me game, players only need to spin the knob until the ball containing a question falls into the bottom space, and then the player must answer that question.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.